Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use this website to create free unlimited AI videos. It is called Roboneo. You're just going to go to ChatGPT first. So to create a prompt, I'm just going to type in make me a prompt on for a video about, I don't know, a unicorn or something. You have to be more specific than this, but let's do it whimsical fantasy. There you go, and you're just going to paste it. Help me generate a video based on this prompt. And then you're just going to paste it, and then you're going to press enter. And I'll be right back when the video is ready. It's just going to take a long time, so I'll be right back. And this is the final result of the video. Super cute, but yeah, it's also free. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.